Welcome to today's intention. Today we're going to talk about the metronome that I'm doing exercises with that, and also a little reflection about the attention in tennis. So let's start with the first one. And with the metronome, I use it in the hand and in the other hand, now in my legs, but in my legs starting working because I feel more the rhythm. But the thing is that sometimes I lose this rhythm because I lose my attention on the rhythm. And that is important. So now I'm keeping working on that to see how can we develop this, because maybe it's a good option to learn how to learn the rhythm of the game. This is one thing. The second thing is that from this experiment, I understood that tennis is attention. So if you put more attention on the game, you create more the game. The thing is that we always want to fix the scene by the technique. And let's put an example. For example, you make a mistake and now you focus on the mistake. And then you make another mistake, you focus on the mistake and the technique. And you make another mistake, you focus on the technique and the mistake and the technique, and then you. Now on the racket. You look the racket to see, you don't know what happened. See that the attention is far away from the game. If you make a mistake, but if you focus again in your target, in your next shot, now your focus goes to the right place to create the game. Because when you focus in one place, you are putting attention on the scene. That's what happened with me with the metronome. When I lose the attention of the rhythm, of the pulse of the watch that is in my leg, I lose the rhythm because I lose my attention of the rhythm. So it means that tennis is attention. If you have more attention, you can make more game. But normally we are or in the limit or outside of the game. So it means we need to put more attention on our decisions, our stroke. Never hit a stroke without knowing which is the place that you want. Never hit a stroke without any decision. Every shot has to be a decision that you make. If it's good or not, you make the decision. That's why it's a decision. The decision doesn't mean that it's right or wrong. It's a decision. But if you do every time that, you are putting attention of the game. The attention is plenty of the game. So it means that we have to create the game, and this game happens because you pay attention of the game, not of the technique, not of you, not of the racket. So practice this in your training, in your match. Every ball that you hit has to be with intention, with decision, with focus, everyone. And if you forget it because you go away, then do it again. Focus again, and then your mind is going to change because now your attention is going to be higher, a little bit higher. It not means that you are going to be from 0 to 100. No, 0 to 5 to 10%, like this, and then you increase, and then you are totally aware of what happened in the game. So when you are plenty of attention, there is something happening outside of the court that maybe one person is talking and you don't hear because the attention is fully. But what happened in the match? A ball came into the court and you stop because you cannot handle. You are more focused on what happened out of the court than in the court, or not. So it means that we have to practice attention if we need to practice the tennis. If you want to improve, you need to practice attention. That's it. It's simple. I agree with Tony Nadal that says that the best player of the world is a player that who can have the ability to pay more attention. But it's true because tennis is attention. So I give you this reflection by here. So remember, we need to take care of your game. And to take care of your game, you need to put attention on the game. Simple. If you want to improve, you need to decide something. If you want to improve, you need to focus on something. If you want to improve, you need to get the full action. That's it. And that is possible when you're paying attention on those things. So I hope you like this video, and we see you soon. Bye.